Love you, Scorpio. Hope you're having a lovely day. And this is your relationship message for you, Scorpio. And after this relationship message, I'll be doing a pick a card reading for you guys. Please watch out for the pick a card reading, Scorpio. And this is your relationship card for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For today's reading, we have two cards, guys. This is your first card and this is your second card. So, whichever card you want to choose, you can close your eyes, be silent for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So, that may be your story today, guys. So I'll be starting with this card, guys. So I will start after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's see what it is. So for those who have chosen this card, it is Princess and the Pea. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you're someone who is really sensitive, and your sensitivity is something that people are aware of, you are aware of, and no one can hide anything from you. You just find out what it is. You are sensitive to everyone's emotions or feelings, and you are able to find it out even without them telling you, or even when they are trying to hide it from you. And maybe today it may be the same with you. The same thing applies for you also, guys. You are someone who cannot hide your true self. Maybe though you are trying to pretend as someone else, maybe for this love or for some circumstance in your life, you are unable to hide your true feelings or unable to hide your characteristics, whatever it is. And maybe people may find you as someone who is downright a very honest person, talking what they feel, but it is what you are, and you cannot change it. Though however hard you try, you never feel that you can change those aspects, your honesty or your true show of emotions, guys. And you need to trust yourself, because you are the one you can trust first. So whatever you feel, maybe you sense that other person is sad or stressed, or you may feel something about them without them telling you, but you doubt yourself because they are masking their feelings. They are trying to hide something from you. But you need to understand that whatever layers they have, you are a very sensitive person and you will know the truth, and you are someone who wants to be authentic, and however hard you try, you can never go otherwise, guys. That may be the reason you are seeing troubles in your relationship, in your life today, guys. For those who have chosen this card, you are very honest, and that may be the reason for troubles for you, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the other card. What is the story with the other card? Let's leave it here. So for the second card, guys, let's see what it is. It is Rumpelstiltskin, Secrets. So with this card, it just means there is something impossible right in front of you, maybe in your career or in this love, in this relationship. Some task you need to do that is simply impossible for you to do, Maybe you are making some promises, or you had made some promises which cannot be which you cannot do, and it is really difficult. Or someone has made promise trusting you, so again they have pushed you into some difficult situation, guys. And maybe you are someone who has been entrusted with a huge burden or responsibility today. It may be some kind of a family responsibility, or in this, maybe for this person you love, they trust you and they have entrusted you with something, and it is simply beyond your capacity or beyond your skill or ability, and it is really stressing you a lot today, guys. So someone is trying to exploit you always, so you need to be careful. For those who have chosen this card, someone is trying to use you, or they are trying to benefit you from your skills, or they are simply boasting certain things about you, but in truth you are not capable of doing that. So that may lead to some kind of a false promise, or some it may even lead to some financial troubles in your situation, guys. So in your name they are doing something. It may even be some wrong deeds, so you need to be really careful, guys. So that is what I see with this card, for those who have chosen this card. And maybe today, before you promise or before you say some things, maybe you need to think before you speak. Or it may be something in your situation, maybe someone had is using your name to achieve certain things. If that is the case, you need to be really careful, guys. So this person is just trying to benefit themselves, so they are trying to exploit you, so you need to be really careful. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.
Co-create. Relationship message. Connections of the heart serve to inspire you, opening you up to new ideas you would never have come to on your own. You are looking in the mirror, held up by this experience, and seeing yourself in an unexpected way. Ordinary being looking back at you. You're going to be so happy that you kept your heart open. Your love is a unique work of art now, the very embodiment of beauty.